Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite dishes, which is this Turkish rice pilaf with tomatoes and greens. To start, bring a large sauté pan to medium heat and add a good amount of olive oil. Don't be shy with it. Then, add a handful of chopped onions and season with a pinch of salt, some cracked pepper, and sumac. You're going to want to saute this for about 5 minutes until the onions become lightly translucent. This is going to create the base for your pilaf. Next, you're going to layer the rest of your flavors using bay leaf, thyme, chopped chilies, and garlic. Add a can of some decent quality chopped tomatoes, season with a little more salt, and cook until reduced down into a sauce. Once the tomatoes have mostly reduced, add some chopped greens. You can use spinach or collard greens, whatever you have on hand. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes until the greens are wilted, and then stir back into the sauce. Next, you're going to add some rinsed long grain rice, such as jasmine or basmati, and some boiling water. Stir this mixture until well combined and the water comes back to a boil. Then, cover the pan and cook for 12 to 15 minutes. While the rice is cooking, we're going to prepare a quick yogurt lemon sauce. Start by mincing a clove of garlic very finely. Next, add the juice from 1 lemon. Then add 2 scoops of Greek yogurt and a pinch of salt to season, and then stir to combine. Then, after about 12 to 15 minutes, your rice should be done. Fluff it up with a wooden spoon. And serve it up with a generous amount of the yogurt lemon sauce on top and some shredded mint. If you like this recipe and want to see more, please be sure to like and subscribe to Redwood Kitchen. Thanks for watching.